Hello students, welcome back in this video series. The subject of video is electronics, digital electronics for some electrical, and this topic is used for as well as electrical, civil and mechanical engineering, because in all three branches digital electronics is current subject. Okay, and this is the basic of DE, that is the logic gates. In the last video we are familiar with logic gates. First of all, we are familiar with basic gates. These are AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. And now in this video we are familiar with the universal gates, that is NAND and NOR. Universal gates are these gates which have the property that any combinational circuit or digital system can be implemented with a collection of just of these gates. Means universal gates से हम कोई सा भी सर्किट, दैट इज कॉम्बिनेशनल सर्किट हो या डिजिटल सिस्टम हो, हम उसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं यूजिंग ऑफ दीज नैंड और नॉट गेट. हम नैंड और नॉट गेट से एंड भी बना सकते हैं, नॉट भी बना सकते हैं एंड और गेट भी बना सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एज वेल एज वी आर हम एक्सओर भी बना सकते हैं और एक्स नॉर भी बना सकते हैं. दीज आर स्पेशल केस लॉजिक गेट्स. Okay, let's start with NAND gates. NAND gate, it is the combination of NOT plus AND gate. Means symbol is used in this gate is AND gate, but with the NOT gate, and NOT gate having a bubble at the end point, so we used a bubble at the end point of AND gate, and this symbol is now called as a symbol of NAND gate. See here, that is the two input NAND gates A and B, and this is the bubble. It is present the NOT gate, and this is present the AND gate, and the combination of these two gates, that is NOT plus AND gate, is called NAND gate. So output is y equal to A dot B, that is the output of AND gate, and the bar of this is the output of NOT gate. So we get the output is A dot B ka bar. Okay, this is the two input NAND gate, and similarly this we are design the three input NAND gate or four input NAND gates. Okay, now from we construct the two table. Okay, this is the input A and B, and having the output is Y. If two inputs, then four combination of input is possible. First of combination is 0 and 0. Means when A and B inputs applied to the NAND gate, both are 0, then what happen according to this? A dot B means 0 dot 0, it means 0, and bar of 0 is 1, so output is 1. So this is 0 0, we get the output is 1. Next one, A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. See here, A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. What we get? 0 dot 1 means 0, and 0 bar is 1. So again we are getting output is 1. Okay, next one is 1 and B is 0. A is 1 and B is 0. Again we by the AND gate we get the 0, and by the NOT gate we get the 1. So output of 1. Now last case is when both the inputs are high, means 1 and 1. A and B both are 1. The product term of this, the output is 1, and the complement of 1 is 0. So we get the 0. See carefully this table. It means if we applied the inputs of NAND gates are high, then we get the output is low. Otherwise, in other three combinations, when both the inputs are low or any one of the input is low, we get always the output is high. Using this, we are construct the truth table for 3 variable and 4 variable. See here the truth table of 3 variable means the inputs of NAND gate is A, B, C and output is Y. According to this output, Y equal to A dot B dot C dot का whole bar, and we get the output for this. Only 0 or low output get when all the inputs are at high level. That's clear. I hope it's very clear by this equation. Okay students, next one is we can draw the pulse time for NAND gate. Similarly a NAND and that apply to NOT gate. Okay, and we can say when both the inputs are high we get the output 0, otherwise always we get the 1. Next is exclusive OR gate. This is not universal gate, this is a special case. Exclusive OR or XOR gate. The output will remain low if both inputs are either high or low. Output of XOR will be high if only if one of the input will be high. This is the symbol of XOR gate and this is the symbol of XOR gate, and we can write as A plus in the whole circle is B. This is called XOR gate. When we open this, how can open A bar B plus B bar A? Remember this, A bar B plus B bar A. According to this table, we are get the truth table of XOR gate. 0 0 we get the 0, 0 1 1 0 get the 1 and 1 1 is 0. It means when we applied both the inputs are high or low, it means 0 or 1, always we get the output is 0. Whenever we apply any one of the input is high, then we get the output is high. This is the property of XOR gate. Next one is XNOR gate. This is the just opposite to XOR gate. That is the complement of XNOR gate. So we can write A XOR B ka bar, and when we open this by the theorems, we get the AB plus A bar B, and according to this equation we get the truth table 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. This table is just opposite to XOR gate, means when both inputs are low or high, when we get the output is high, and whenever one output is low we get the output is 0. Okay students. Okay, next one is negative OR. Perform equivalent operation of NAND gate. How? यदि negative OR gate है, then it should be equivalent to NAND gate. See here student, that is the A, that is B is applied to this bubble point, that is A bar and B bar. Means the output of this gate is represented as OR gate. So output is A bar plus B bar. And according to De Morgan theorem, we get from this is A dot B ka whole bar. Okay student, it means this is the output of NAND gate, that is A, B, and this is the NAND gate. Output is A bar, B bar. So remember this thing students, perform equivalent operation of NAND gate is negative OR gate. Next one is NOR gate. It is a combination of NOT and OR gate. Means Y equal to A plus B ka whole bar. Okay, according to this equation we get the truth table, and according to this truth table we are draw the pulse time. Important is negative AND gate. The negative AND gate equivalent to or equivalent operation of NOR gate. यदि हमें NOR gate बनाना है using the negative NAND gate, then कैसे बनाना है? See here, that is the A bar, B bar is given to this AND gate, means Y equal to A bar dot B bar. And according to De Morgan's theorem, we can write it's A plus B ka whole bar. And this is output of NOR gate. It means this symbol is equivalent to our NOR gate. Okay. See some operations, some examples. लॉजिक डायग्राम फॉर द बूलियन एक्सप्रेशन. यदि हमें एक्सप्रेशन दे रखा है बूलियन एक्सप्रेशन एंड फॉर आस्क द लॉजिक डायग्राम, ड्रॉ द लॉजिक डायग्राम, देन व्हाट हैपन? A डॉट B का बार, दिस इज द NAND गेट. ओके, दिस इज द आउटपुट ऑफ NAND गेट. A B is given to this NAND gate and output is A dot B ka whole bar. Okay students, this is A dot C bar, means A dot C bar is given to a AND gate, means this is A and this is C bar by the NOT gate, and output of this is A dot C bar, and both terms are, that is the ORing. So we are used here, we used to OR gate, and we get the output is A dot B whole bar plus A dot C bar. I hope it is very clear. Many examples are given in the book, so go through these examples. Okay. Next one is Boolean expression from the switching circuit. If examiner give a switching circuit like this and ask the Boolean expression, then it is very easy. See, this is the power voltage external power supply, that is the VCC we can say, and this is A, B and C. These are switches. Okay. We are read about all these both. This C is parallel to A and B, and this A and B are connected in series, right? These are connected in series, but both are parallel to C. Clear, students? Means A dot B plus C, right? Means this is the ANDing and this is the ORing. Means A, B is going to AND gate and C with OR gate. Clear? Next, see here. Next example, students. A, this is B, C, D. Clear? Okay. This is C, D and D. Again, this is, I think this is missing. Again, clear. The important thing is, see here, this bubble and this bubble is connected like this, but all these are open. So this is connected. This symbol is represent the complement, that is, it is D bar. This is D bar. This is C bar. But this is B, this is C, this is D and this is A. This is very important, students. When the symbol is like this, this is complement form. Right now we can write the Boolean expression. First of all, this is loop 1, this is loop 2, this is loop 3. So loop 1, this is the B and C, that is the ANDing, means B dot C, and parallel with D means ORing, that is the plus D, and this whole terms is series with A, means A dot B C D. Okay, B C plus D. Next, this is loop 2, right, students? Loop 2. Loop 2 is, this is B, this is C and D. This is C bar and D bar. Okay, but both are parallel, so that is the OR gate, that is a C bar plus D bar, and both are series with this B. So B dot C bar plus D. Here B is missing, but it is B. Okay, and next the whole terms are series with the D. So we can write the total expression is, this is not D, this is D bar. So whole expression is D bar bracket 1, that is the loop 1 and that is the loop 2, and both are series, so we can act by the OR gate. Okay, I hope this is very clear, and please student go through number of examples from books like these examples. These examples are very important from your RTU exams. Okay, students.